What's happening, everyone? It's Sean, and I've got a review on Meow Meow Jump in Paris, which is a free, fun, and simple pick up and play game that's available in the App Store. Okay, so right off the bat, you've got that Paris type feel to the game with the music. I'm going to just hit play so that we can jump right into the game and show you what this is all about. You're basically this cat and you're jumping across rooftops, and the main objective is to get as far as you can while avoiding all the obstacles and not falling in between the buildings. So, very simple concept, very easy to play, and I haven't had any problems with it. The ad placement could be a little bit better, and maybe a couple power-ups to keep the game a bit more interesting, but the game is free, and the objective again is to just get as far as you can. I've gotten up to about 3,000. I'll show you at the end my high scores so that you can download this game and post in the comments down below what your high score is. But you basically got 3 hearts, and I've already lost 2 of them. And every 1,000 points you're going to change and transition into a different background. Now we're in Notre Dame here, and that is the basic premise of the game. Nothing more needs to be said. I definitely recommend everyone check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button down below and subscribe up above so you're notified of my newer videos. And I'm just going to keep it at that and actually just kill myself here, and so that I can show you I've got about 1,500 there, my high scores, and then we'll wrap it up. So yeah, about 2,700. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.